like I feel this is good enough. So this goes like, say you just need a tint of color like a lip gloss. If you want more pigment to it, you can always add. So I'll take more just to show you the color. Don't dip the wet spoon into the pigment, because the remaining can go bad otherwise. So I'll just take this, mix it up again. The more pigment you use, it's going to be more intense in color. I'm just going to take the lift over here. Let's try to put it back. You can see the color now. It has that lot of sheen to it. So what I'll do, I'll try to add some arrowroot powder to it to give some matte feel. Though the color is metallic, I feel it's looking too creamy and glossy. Just I'll take little bit of arrowroot powder and mix it here. I would suggest you wear gloves when you're doing it, otherwise your hands can all get messy. So here it goes. I think this looks fine now. You see how pigmented this is? Show you here. This is like evenly mixed now, and this is how it looks. Once it is frozen, when you put it in the fridge, this will get better on the texture. So I'll just quickly go and put this in the freezer, and then we'll have a look at it after 2 minutes.